Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the microwave versus the air fryer. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which countertop cooker is better. So, the main difference between them is the cooking technology. Microwaves use electromagnetic radiation to blow out the heat produced inside, and therefore heat and cook food. The machine works by agitating the water molecules in food. This process is therefore only efficient in foods with a high water content. On the other hand, air fryers have an inbuilt coil that produces heat, then circulates the hot air in the food chamber. The process is slower, but more effective. Air fryers, therefore, offer healthier and more effective cooking technology than microwaves. Cooking time. The cooking time from a microwave is often less than that of an air fryer. For example, it takes 30 to 35 minutes to prepare a meat dish in an air fryer. In contrast, it takes only 5 minutes to cook meat in a microwave. Still, most agree that longer cooking time leads to a better infusion of flavors in the food. The microwave countertop cooker, therefore, has a lesser cooking time when compared to an air fryer. Health. Health experts recommend using an air fryer as the best alternative to deep-fat fryers. The microwave uses electromagnetic radiation to cook its food. This, combined with the higher fat and oil contents in its food, causes harm to the body. Air fryers thus offer a healthier cooking option than microwaves. Cooking capacity. Microwave countertops are known to have a larger capacity than air fryers. With an air fryer, you're limited to the amount of food that you can cook at a go. You can cook large batches of food in a microwave, wherein the same amount of food has to be cooked in multiple batches in an air fryer. Noise. Air fryers make much noise due to their inbuilt fan systems that vibrate as they cook. Microwaves tend to be less noisy. When compared to air fryers, microwaves are therefore quieter as they cook. Microwave versus air fryer. Comparison table. From the table, a microwave is more affordable, less noisy, and has a large cooking capacity for your food. On the other hand, an air fryer has a compact design and hence takes up less space in your kitchen. They're also highly recommended as alternatives to deep-fat cooking fryers. What are the similarities? Both the microwave and the air fryer are versatile, and they can cook a variety of foods with ease. They're also both user-friendly and easy to clean. Additionally, they both have safety features, like an automatic shutoff function that prevents fires. Verdict. So, which is better? The better option would be to get an air fryer as an accompaniment to your microwave, but not replace it. Each appliance has its advantages that make the cooking process better, making it beneficial to have both. If you like this video, feel free to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe for more of these videos. Also, let us know which other comparisons you'd like to see next from us.